Welcome to Showtime Mobile Detailing, where we bring top-tier exterior detailing directly to you. Let's walk through our meticulous process that guarantees your car looks its best. We begin with a deep clean of your wheels and tires, targeting brake dust and grime to restore their original shine. Next, we move to the door jambs, carefully cleaning these often overlooked areas to ensure no dirt is left behind. Your car then gets a thorough pre-rinse, followed by a foam bath and hand wash, lifting away all surface dirt and contaminants. We continue with an iron remover application and clay mitt treatment, eliminating embedded contaminants and leaving your paint ultra smooth. Finally, we apply a 2 to 3 month ceramic sealant, enhancing the gloss and providing a protective layer that keeps your vehicle looking flawless. Experience the ultimate exterior detailing with Showtime Mobile Detailing, bringing professional care right to your doorstep.